here are a few tips to help you prepare for your first photography session. Well, I think we're just gonna start with the hardest one, and that is, what are we going to wear? Now, I don't know what your style or best color is, but what I can recommend is wearing something that makes you comfortable and confident, and it reflects your own personal style. Now, I am gonna say, try to avoid patterns or bold colors, and try to opt for something that's solid or neutral color instead. But it really depends on the purpose of your picture. If it's a headshot for a dancer or an actor, well, yeah, bright colors and vibrant looks are gonna be cool. Whereas if you're a CEO of a hedge fund or something, you might wanna go with something a little darker and calmer. Consider bringing multiple clothing options to your photo shoot. This gives you flexibility and allows you for a variety of looks. Consider outfits that not only make you feel confident, but also align with the professional image that you want to convey. Having multiple looks will ensure that you're going to have a range of images to select from. If you normally do your own makeup, I would say just be mindful. These cameras, especially when they're high-end, will capture every nook and cranny. So with that being said, I'd probably hire someone that does makeup specifically for film and television. But if you don't know anyone, your photographer may already have a list of his favorite makeup artists, and most likely he'll be able to share it with you. In the case that he doesn't have a roster of makeup artists to recommend, the next best choice is a wedding makeup artist. Wedding makeup artists have a specific talent to do amazing makeup that's gonna last all day long. Make sure to tell them specifically what the makeup is gonna be used for. And for the fellas, make sure you check out your barber before you show up. Other than that, stay groomed. I don't know. We got it so easy. Way easier. Before the photo shoot, you may want to try different poses and smiles and expressions in front of a mirror, but this might just make you more nervous and maybe lack a little bit of confidence when you're there. Remember that a professional photographer already knows how to bring the best out of you. Don't overthink it. Authenticity is key, and having a great photographer will ensure that you have a genuine and natural smile. They're gonna make sure that you feel comfortable and easily replicate the desired expression during the actual photo shoot. Now, as far as your hair, make sure it's styled in a way that not only suits your personal preference, but also aligns with the professional image you want to project. And if it is gonna be a long shoot, make sure you do bring a hairbrush and some products to continuously touch up your hair between sets. Having well-groomed and styled hair contributes significantly to a polished and put together look for your image. And just a little side tip, you probably save yourself some money on retouching if your hair is not looking too crazy. All right, please, 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 unless stated otherwise, arrive early. 15 minutes is not gonna kill you. Punctuality is key. Arriving early to a photo shoot location provides ample time for you to find parking, for you to get settled in, familiarize yourself with the space, and just relax before your session begins. This extra time helps lift a little bit of the potential stress or nervousness that you may have and allow you to approach the photo shoot a little bit calmer and maybe in a more confident demeanor. Most photographers do want to get to know you before the shoot anyway. The last thing you want is to arrive late and throw off their entire schedule for that day. So ultimately, the key to a successful photo shoot is preparation. Trust the guidance of your photographer. They should have the expertise to make you feel at ease and capture the best possible shot that will align with your personal and professional brand. So if you guys do have any more questions, make sure to comment down below and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll be showing you a little bit of behind the scenes of my own session, and I'll be able to post the results as well. Stay blessed.